The future of mission-critical power is here. Welcome to a new era at LayerZero.
We are proud to unveil our newest state-of-the-art manufacturing facility right here in Streetsboro, Ohio.
This facility will be dedicated to producing static transfer switches and power distribution systems.
LayerZero technologies provide reliability that keeps your mission-critical operations running.
LayerZero Power Systems, designed for maximum reliability and operator safety.
Learn more at LayerZero.com.